You know that moment when you promise yourself I'll brush properly tonight and then 10 seconds later you're already done like it's a speed run. Yeah, same here. So when I saw DentalGlow One claiming a full clean in 30 seconds, I had one thought, okay, either this is genius or straight up nonsense. So I looked into it and here's the real deal. First, the concept is actually pretty simple. Instead of scrubbing like you're polishing a car, this brush uses vibration to do most of the work. You just guide it around your mouth, no aggressive brushing, no overthinking angles, and honestly, that part makes sense. We already know electric toothbrushes work better than manual ones. This is just pushing that idea further. Now, about that 30 seconds clean claim, let's be real for a second. Dentists recommend around 2 minutes for a reason, so expecting a perfect clean in 30 seconds, yeah, that's a bit of a stretch. But here's where it's not totally fake either because faster coverage plus consistent vibration can help improve efficiency, especially if you're someone who rushes brushing anyway. So it's not magic but it's not useless either. The whitening over time claim, that's also partially true, but don't expect movie star teeth overnight. It's more like a gradual stain reduction from better cleaning, not actual whitening treatment. What I do like is the gentle design. If you've ever had gums that feel like they went through a war after brushing, this is definitely a softer experience. Battery life, solid. Convenience, also solid. So scam or too good to be true. Not a scam, but definitely a bit overhyped. If you expect miracles, you'll be disappointed. But if you want something easier, more comfortable, and slightly more efficient than your usual brushing routine, then yeah, this might actually be worth trying. Just don't throw away your dentist's advice for a 30-second shortcut. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.